Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Let's talk about something that has always intrigued beauty lovers and fans alike. What lipstick does Kelly Clarkson wear? If you've ever wondered how she nails her red carpet looks or achieves that perfectly polished pout, you're not alone. Kelly Clarkson is known for her bold, effortlessly chic style, and her makeup choices often turn heads, especially her lipstick. So, if you're looking to replicate that iconic, all-American beauty vibe, let's dive into the lipsticks Kelly Clarkson is often spotted wearing. Kelly is a fan of lipsticks that make a statement, with a focus on shades that complement her complexion and bring out her natural features. One of her go-to shades is a classic red, with rich undertones that add a touch of sophistication. But it's not just any red. She's often seen wearing shades that lean slightly toward berry, with a matte finish that adds both glamour and modernity to her look. A great option to recreate this look is Charlotte Tilbury's Matte Revolution lipstick in the shade Red Carpet Red. It's a deep red with a touch of berry, and its matte formula is perfect for achieving that elegant yet bold look Kelly pulls off so effortlessly. But Kelly also loves a versatile nude lipstick, which is a staple for more casual, everyday looks. A favorite in her makeup bag is often a soft, peachy nude that balances the right amount of warmth with a touch of pink. If you're after something similar, try Fenty Beauty's Stunna Lip Paint in the shade Uncuffed. It's a creamy, long-lasting formula that will keep you looking polished without feeling overdone. Kelly's lip looks are all about striking the perfect balance. Whether it's a daring red or a more understated nude, her lip colors always feel in sync with her overall look. What makes them even more perfect? They're incredibly wearable, no matter the occasion. So what do you think? Ready to recreate one of Kelly Clarkson's stunning lip looks? Let me know in the comments below which shade you're most excited to try. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss out on more beauty tips and trends. Thanks for visiting Beautyistic, and we think you'll enjoy the video on screen next.